Dear students, today we will discuss about night audit. Night audit is conducted in every hotel to maintain an accurate and efficient accounting system that keeps proper records of all the transactions. This prevents the loss of revenue as well as it leads to higher level of guest satisfaction. Before moving on to night audit, let us examine what is an audit. Audit is an official examination of business and financial records to see that they are true and correct. Normally, an audit is carried out at the end of every financial year in most of the business. As all of you know, the hotel is working 24 into 7 into 365 pattern. It's not possible to have an audit at the end. So, the hotels are doing a daily audit. The daily audit in hotel is termed as night audit. So, let us examine what is night audit. The daily audit in hotel is termed as night audit. The daily audit in hotels normally carried out during the slack time, that is between midnight and early morning. It's doing between midnight and early morning because the traffic will be less during this time or there will be less transaction during this time. As it is doing in night, the daily audit in hotel is termed as night audit. The person responsible for night audit is known as night auditor. Now let us see the purpose of night audit. It verifies posted entries to guest as well as non-guest accounts. It balances all front office accounts. It resolves room status and rate discrepancies. It reviews guest credit transactions against established limits. It generates operational and managerial. So now let us see the night audit procedure. The procedure may vary from non-automated to semi-automated and semi-automated to automated hotels. Now let us see some of the common practices or the steps involved in night audit procedure. The first one is establishing the end of the day, completing outstanding posting and verifying transactions, reconciling transactions, verifying no-shows, preparing reports, and finally updating the system. So now let us see each and every step of night audit procedure in detail. Establishing the end of the day. The end of the day is the arbitrary time that is supposed to be end of the financial transactions of a particular day. End of the day means the business day of the hotel ends. This time is generally established by the night auditor. All transactions that take place after the commencement of night audit are taken in the next day's business only. Completing outstanding postings and verifying transactions. Once the end of the day is established, the night auditor will be looking for any pending postings. Any charges is not posted properly, the night auditor will complete that posting. In the case of manual and semi-automated hotels, the night auditor will post room charges along with the tax to the concerned account folios. He will physically verify all the financial transactions by cross-checking the account with all the supporting vouchers. If the night auditor found any errors in the posting charges, it will be corrected by him. He verifies the posting in all accounts by going through all documents carefully. He validates all the discounts given to guests. And finally, he examines and validates all the transactions that involve monetary elements. Reconciling transaction. Reconciliation of each financial transaction with the original voucher. reconcile actually means to compare original voucher with the posted entries in account folio to make sure there is no variation. Whatever the charges in the entries of voucher should be same with the entries in the guest folio. The reconciliation of accounts may be carried out in the following sections: guest account, city account, point of sale, reconcile room status discrepancies. Now let us see one by one. The first one is guest account. The night auditor will reconcile the guest account first. All the financial transactions that occur between a hotel and guest are examined by the night auditor. The folio of each guest is matched with the original documents of transactions for the verification of the account. That means the night auditor will check all the postings in the guest folio along with the supporting documents of each and every transaction. The reconciliation of charges in guest accounts is done in the following order. The night auditor will first examine the room charges, then food and beverage charges, and finally any other charges. The room charges will be on a daily basis examined by the night auditor with the registration cards. He will ensure that the room charges in the guest folio as well as the registration card is same. Food and beverage charges. The food and beverage charge posted in the guest should be verified against the signed check from the restaurant of the guest. Other charges. Other charges from the front office like visitors paid out, miscellaneous charges, any discounts has to be verified again with the posted entry in the guest folio with the original voucher. After completing reconciling guest account, the night auditor will move on to the city account. City account is also known as non-guest account. Night auditor examines all the entries in the non-resident guest account or city account. They check these accounts for completeness and accuracy. The night auditor will prepare a high balance report for collecting payment by the accounts department and to inform the matter to the management. Once he completes city account, he will move on to point of sale. The number of point of sale depends on the size of the hotel. The night auditor reconciles all checks or vouchers of each point of sale with the cashier's sale summary sheet. The vouchers include void checks, paid outs, allowance, foreign exchange transaction, miscellaneous charges, etc. The final step in reconciling transaction is reconcile any room status discrepancies. What is discrepancy? The variation in the front office room status and housekeeping room status is termed as room status discrepancies. Errors in room status can lead to lost and uncollectible room revenues and omissions in posting. So, the night auditor must review front office and housekeeping room status reports to reconcile and finalize the occupancy status of all rooms for a given night. There should not be any variation in front office room status as well as housekeeping room status. It should be same. Room status discrepancies must be resolved in a timely manner. The night auditor also verifies no-shows. A no-show is a situation when a guest with a confirmed reservation does not arrive at the hotel on the date of arrival without any prior intimation about his cancellation. The night auditor will verify all such no-shows. No-show may be guaranteed or non-guaranteed reservation. In the case of a guaranteed reservation, post the no-show in the guest folio as per the hotel policy. In the case of non-guaranteed reservation, either you can cancel the reservation or move the reservation to next day. It depends on the hotel policy. A night auditor should verify carefully that the reservation was guaranteed, that the guest has not registered, and that it was not a duplicate reservation. You can see an example given there. Preparing reports. The night auditor generally prepares the following reports for the management: high balance report, occupancy report, and various other reports needed by the management to plan the day-to-day operations. Updating the system. Once the outstanding charges have been posted and reconciled, no-shows have been verified, and reports and summaries for the management have been prepared, the night auditor updates the system and ends the night audit process. In fully automated hotels, the computerized system automatically carries out system updates. I hope all of you got a brief idea regarding night audit process in hotels.